How to verify GrabPay wallet. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can verify your GrabPay wallet. In order to verify your identity in Grab account, you will need to enter your personal details as well as a valid government ID, either password or your KAD ID. Here open the Grab application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once logged in, here tap on the payment icon at the central bottom below. Once doing that, you will be taken to this page. Here, if you haven't activated your GrabPay wallet, you will need to tap on the activate button in this page and you will need to follow the prompts in order to activate your GrabPay wallet. Here I have already activated my GrabPay wallet, so I am not able to see the option. But if you haven't activated it, you'll be able to see activate GrabPay wallet option right here. Now after that, tap on your GrabPay wallet and here you can tap on the send button. Once doing that, you will be asked to verify your identity. There are 3 steps in order to verify yourself. Here you will need to select your ID type, either password or KAD, and then enter the number of your ID. Once after doing that, now you will need to take a photo of your ID. Tap on this take photo of ID button at the very bottom and allow permission to take pictures and record video. Select while using the application option and now you will need to capture the front side of your ID. You will need to make sure your photo is clear and readable. After that, you can tap on use this at the bottom right. And now you will need to submit your document. After successful submission, in the second step here you will need to take a selfie. Here tap on this take selfie at the very bottom and place your face inside the circle. Make sure you are not wearing any accessories that cover your face here. After that, you will need to follow the prompts and complete all of the verification steps. Once after verification is completed, you will receive a notification regarding the status of your verification within few minutes or a couple of days. So by following the steps, you'll be able to verify your GrabPay wallet and gain access to its full features. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.